The pressure is on for the fuel industry. Accuracy is essential, and safety has never been more important. But you still need to work as fast and efficiently as possible. To overcome these challenges, partner with an expert. At Grabner Instruments, we've been pioneering chemical analysis since 1987, when we developed the world's first automatic vapor pressure tester. The Minivap's precision remains unmatched, making it the first choice for environmental protection agencies worldwide. But we didn't stop there. This was just the first in a series of industry firsts. Innovating new analyzers to help you stay one step ahead, boosting our performance so you can boost yours, improving portability so you can achieve more on site, always ensuring our solutions are reliable and meet the highest safety standards. Today, we offer the largest range of chemical test instruments and accessories so that we can better support customers from fuel quality to food safety, fragrance production to pharmaceutical development, and many more. The Minivap VP Vision is an upgrade on our original analyzer. It's the first pressure analyzer to be certified for durability, making it ideal for mobile labs, refineries, and other harsh conditions. The MiniFlash FP Vision is a flashpoint tester for Industry 4.0. You can control it with a tap of an easy-to-use touchscreen. While its continuously closed-cup design and small sample volume of only 1 to 2 milliliters offers maximum safety. The MiniScan IR Vision is a high-speed compact analyzer for gasoline, diesel, and jet fuels. It can measure more than 100 parameters and components to check fuel blending, quality, and compliance. The Minivap Online saves refineries millions of dollars a year. It measures RVP, TVP, and vapor-liquid ratios. This triple expansion measurement maximizes blended fuel profits. And automatic piston lubrication and self-diagnostics virtually eliminate expensive downtime. We can also support your growing throughput needs with the AS Vision Auto Sampler and MiniFlash FPA Vision Auto Sampler. All our instruments are automatic, portable, and built to the highest standards. Like a Swiss watch, each one is handcrafted by senior engineers to ensure accuracy, while our quality management system is ISO 9001 certified to ensure operational excellence. But we don't just develop tools. Our dedicated service team are here to help. They can offer technical support and guidance for your special applications. Plus, they can calibrate your analyzer, replace parts, and provide field servicing. To get up and running with our analyzers, your operators can get in-depth training from our online Fluid Management Academy. To stay one step ahead, work with the #1 Grabner Instruments, the first choice for fuel testing.